Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Primark haul. Is this not the cutest Primark bag you've ever seen as well? So yeah, if you're interested to see what I've got to show you, then just continue to watch. So hi guys. So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Juliette. I do new videos on this channel every week. I do lots of beauty, hauls, fashion, lifestyle, you name it, I do it. And I am back with a vengeance. I've got so many hauls and stuff to film, and I have a new in Primark haul. So before I go any further, this top is also Primark because every time I wear this top, I always get loads of questions. So I don't know if they've got it in store still, but they definitely, you can get hold of it on Vinted. But anyway, I have a Primark haul and there's some autumn bits in here as well. So don't come for me, but I have picked up the most beautiful garland for what I think is a really good price. So I'll just go through like any accessories and stuff first. First of all, I picked up this really cute bag. If you know, when you go into Primark now, you have to pay for bags. I know. What is the world coming to? But I saw this bag which was £2, and I know that all like the bears and everything are the rage at the moment, like the Ralph Lauren vibes. But I thought it was such a cute little tote, especially, I don't know, I just loved it so much. So that came home with me. Okay, well, autumn wise, I picked up a couple of bits. So first of all, I picked up this picture which is completely my vibes of the kitchen. I actually have a frame like this. My frames in the kitchen are like this. This was £5, but I just loved this. It says Pumpkin Spice Latte Club. I thought this would be really beautiful in the kitchen on my shelf. I thought for £5 that was really good price. Actually, it's a really decent size. So yeah, I got that. And guys, this garland, honestly, this garland, saw it and I looked at the price and okay, yeah, it was quite expensive, but I actually thought it was pretty reasonable for the quality and the size. Let me just try and get it out of here. I tried to keep it safe in here, but it is huge. Look at the size of this. So I was kind of thinking that this could go across my, either my mantelpiece or in the kitchen. I normally put like one above the oven when I have a Christmas one. But this one is so beautiful. I loved it. Look at all the rusty colours in it. The little cream velvet pumpkins. I mean, don't get me wrong, I can't touch them because I hate that feel. But it is so beautiful and such good quality. This was £16, which I think is actually really good for the quality of it, and I loved it so much, and I really do think this will look beautiful. And I haven't really bought any decorations in a long time, but I saw that and I fell in love with it, so that came home. And then I'm just wondering if I've got any more accessories in here. Okay, and the only other thing I bought in accessories was a pair of sunglasses. I actually nearly bought these in summer. They were £5 reduced to £3, and I just really love these as well. I really love the big sunglass vibe. Don't ask what's going on with my hair because I'm trying to put no heat on it, so don't judge me. But yeah, I really loved these. They had loads of sunglasses in the sale, and the reason I liked these was because they've got like no bits that will catch in your hair. So I thought that they would be really good, especially like at the moment when we're going to like Leo's football games on a weekend. It's like really that winter sun, do you know what I mean? So I picked those up. And then let's get onto the clothes. First of all, I picked up like this little cash outfit. Now, I don't know whether this top and trousers are actually going to go, but who cares? I bought these joggers. Now these are so soft. I don't know what they're made of, right? But they are not the usual type of jogger that you get in Primark. They were £14 though, so they were more expensive. But they're not like, I don't even know what material they are. It says using a minimum of 50% recycled polyester. Let's see what else. I wouldn't be surprised if they've got viscose in them. Yeah, viscose. I did think so. And the reason I say that is because they are so soft. They're like, I can't even explain the material. They're so soft anyway. And it's in the pockets and everything. And I loved this burgundy colour. So yeah, £14. I got the extra small, but they do look pretty big. So like very baggy. So I'll see how I get on with those. But then I also got this top. Now I think the burgundy isn't going to go. I think it might clash a little bit. But I did really love this little cute top. Does look a little bit small. I did get a small and I'm wondering whether I should have got a medium. This was £6 though. It's ribbed, it's cream and burgundy. I thought that was really, really beautiful, like casual but bringing in a little bit of burgundy, which I feel like is going to be really popular this season. Okay, obviously these burgundies don't go. You probably can't tell on camera, but they are completely different. But these joggers, I don't know if they're joggers or pyjama bottoms. They're just so soft. Can't get over them. I'm going to have to keep those. They were £14, but worth every penny. They are really, really beautiful and silky. This top is so good for £6. But what I will say is size up, because this is a small. And I have Primark tops that are XS. I've even got some that are 2XS and fit lovely. But this is quite tight for a small, like under the arms and stuff. So I definitely would advise sizing up in this, but for £6 it's a bargain and very on season. And then I got some jeans. Now I love the Primark jeans, the high rise straight leg. Thank me later if you can find them. That is my like favorite style of jeans from Primark. But I saw these and I really liked the look of them. I'm really loving like wide baggy legs at the moment. Never normally did, but I've had a few recently. I had some sent from Halara that I absolutely love. So I saw these. These are relaxed straight high rise. I haven't seen this style before. They were £20, but I really loved they've got like this seam down the front and then also a cuffed bottom. I'm not sure how they're going to look on. I'll have to see. But I just thought they were a little bit different. They looked quite expensive. And I do love like this Levi, vintage Levi colour. Like, it's just like a standard. You think of a pair of jeans like Levi 501s and that is the colour, isn't it? Like, I do love that colour denim because I feel like it's very versatile throughout the year. So I picked that up. And then I got this. Now, I'm gutted about this because they said they're having no more in. And it was the last one on the shelf and it was a medium and it is too big. But because it's a wraparound, I'm hoping it might look okay because I really want to keep this. This was £16. It does contain wool. I think that means that it's not going to wash very well. I'll have to ask my mum. Does that mean you can't put it in a hot wash or something? I don't know. Anyway, I love the style of this cardigan. It's a beautiful like beige marl. Got like all the different creams and beiges running through it. It's got balloon sleeves with cuffed bottoms and then it's got a tie wraparound. And I loved that because I thought you could probably wear this on its own with some jeans or you could potentially use this as a cardigan. And because it got that wrap, I just feel like it would be really cozy. But it is a medium and they do come quite big. So I'll see how I get on. And it's because this bit here is like sewn in, like the internal cross. So I don't know how it's going to look like on, but I couldn't resist. So I picked this up in a medium, £16. The colour says oatmeal. Just a little bit of feedback on this. I absolutely love this top. And to be fair, I don't mind it being a little bit oversized. But because the inside tie is attached, it's like when I've started to tie it, it's like, I'll show you. I'm like tying the jumper itself into the tie. So it's just not working because I've got half the top in here. But that is such a shame because honestly, if you can find this top, it is so cozy. I love it. I will just like keep an eye on Vinted, see if I can get one off there actually, because I do really love this. And I might try another Primark, but yeah, this is really beautiful for £16. It doesn't feel itchy or anything. It's so lovely. The jeans, I wanted to love them, but I don't. I got the 6. They are snug. I'd say that I've got some other... Oh, just a pain in my back. I'd say I've got some other 6s that are looser, but these are more like the mom jeans. So the mom jeans I can't fit in a 6. I have to have an 8 in the mom jeans, so I'd say that they're more like that kind of size. But they are beautiful. They make my bum look quite nice. They are quite nice on the bum, and they're a decent length. They're just touching the floor, and I'm 5'3", which is like amazing. But yeah, just a bit of a no from me. Bit of a fail on this one. So I also picked up this little skirt. I love this colour in the autumn, and when I saw this little tartan skirt with this gold button detail, I was like, get in my basket. Now I do this every year. I always buy a skirt like this, and then I never wear it and end up selling it on Vinted. But this one I think I'm going to keep, because I do really love it. Now I got this in a 6, and it fits okay. It was £14, but I just loved the style of it. And you know what I loved most about it? It's a skirt and not a skirt, because I really don't like skirts. They just look awful on me, and because I've got no ass and they just don't fit right. So I love this skirt so much. It's very Clueless vibes. I'm probably just going to pair that with a long sleeve black plain top that I also have from Primark in my wardrobe. So that's what I'll probably pair that with. And then finally I got this to try on. So I only could find a small in the skirt, which I think is going to be, no, sorry, I got an 8 in the skirt, but the skirt was £10. It's this little suede skirt. It's back. They had this last year. It's got the little slit in the front. Now, I do remember last year, I think that I bought the 8 and it was a bit too big, and then they didn't have the 6. So I'm going to see how I get on. But the reason I got it is because I wanted to share this and show you this has now got a matching little top. Love these suede blouses in. These are really popular at the moment. This was £16, so £26 for the set, which I think is amazing. I got this in a small, so I don't know how that's going to fit, but I really liked this because I thought, you know what, this could be quite versatile. You could wear this with the skirt as a set, or I might keep this to wear like over the top when you're wearing jeans and a vest top as like a little autumny jacket kind of thing. I really liked that idea. So yeah, £16, got that in a small. I wasn't sure about this, but I think I'm going to keep it. The 8 actually fits really nice, and the top is so comfortable, and I think I would like to wear this like with jeans and stuff as well. I'm really shocked by this set. I did not think I would love it enough to keep. I thought it would be a try on to show you, but I love it with the boots as well. Damn it, I love it. Okay guys, that is everything I got from Primark. I really hope you enjoyed this little haul. It's the first time I've been in and actually picked up some bits that I really like, and may keep some of them, because normally I have to buy everything and then take it back and be like, no, I'm not keeping anything. But this time round, I think there might be a few bits in there that I will keep. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, take care. Bye.